experiment, we're going to be conducting compression test on wood specimen. So we have three wood specimen, which is the coco lumber, the Nemelina, and the mahogany. So let's go.
So hi guys, the objective for this experiment is to determine and compare the different compressive strengths of the wood specimens, which are the coco lumber, mahogany, and Gemelina. And so we will also check if they pass like the ASTM standards. So
For the materials for today's video, sorry guys, okay, for the materials for today's video, we have the three wood specimens. We're going to be using a saw. Universal testing machine set to compression. It is somewhat the process is somewhat similar until the compression part because we have a previous experiment that is just so let's now start. So first things first, we have marked our wood. As you can see here they marked our wood. We measured it around 38 centimeters because according to Sir Carl, it is the maximum length that is allowed to be placed in the universal testing machine. So in continuation, so we're going to be not me rather, Jonathan will cut the wood to be subjected to the compression testing machine. After we're going to be getting its diameter, its width, and its height. Okay. So Jonathan here is going to be cutting our wood. Another segment of you just remeasured our Gemelina, which is because as you can see here, it's slight crack. So we're going to be moving Jonathan, please cut it with we're going to be proceeding to the next step, which is to use the vernier caliper to measure its height and its width. Let's go.
So now we're going to measure the width and height of each wood species. First off, we have our mahogany. And we have 11.6 millimeters for its height. Lastly, we have our mahogany wood.
Uy,
We have 44.5 millimeters for its width. And 12.1 millimeters for its height. So that is all for our measurements for the width and depth for our species.
So we are going to be assisting us in using the universal testing machine. So we are going to be subjecting these three into pressure test. Let's see what happens. So first, we have the control number.
Kaya ko na sir.
video dyan, video sa dyan. Dyan,
Kasi negative.
So we have number.
Dami siguro.
Isunod ko na as you can see, our wood specimens. Yeah, it's done. So based from the gathered data that we have gathered, we're going to be calculating its compressive strength as well as its cross-sectional area.